My name is Nick Jensen. I'm the health and PE teacher at Three Oaks Elementary. Today we're going to be performing a very easy beginner rhythm sticks dance for Way Less Sad by AJR. For this dance, we have 6 total dance steps. In the description below is a link to the dance steps and where it is on the timestamp, so when you would do each dance step with the timestamp. And it also has a performance video where I'm actually doing the dance to the song, so you can have you or your kids just follow along. So it starts off with an intro, and that's simply just kind of a sway, bounce, maybe forward and back, side to side, your choice. And on the beat, you just tap it. And we're just going to call that the intro. Then we go into arms waving, leading to a tap in the front. We're going to call that letter A. After that, we go into letter B, which is a simple 2-step, adding a tap on every other beat. From there, in the song, you're going to hear them say, I set my bar real low. That's when we go down to the ground for our letter C, and that's our ground tap. We're going to do 4, and then we go back to where we started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we come up for letter D, where we're just rolling with it. That's all we're doing. Swaying side to side, and we're just rolling with it. After letter D, we simply go back and we repeat A, B, C, D, D. And then we go into the intro again. So again, it's just kind of swaying back and forth like this. Then we go into B. So we actually skip A. So we only do A 2 times in the whole entire song. Then we go into B, our 2-step, our C, which is our ground taps. Then we go into our D, roll with it. And then we go into our last dance step, which is our letter E. And that one is just simply when they say, I don't know, in the song, and that's just turning to the side and kind of looking like you're confused. Arms out, I don't know. Just like that. Then we go back into our D, and we simply repeat those one more time through, and we end on our intro. That is literally it. It's the simplest dance in the world, but a great introduction to rhythm sticks for the students, a great way to work on the beat, and a great way to be fit and healthy. Thank you and take care.